guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's surferwannabe here. Today I'm coming to you with an unboxing from Ring Doorbell. I got it from JB Hi-Fi, not sponsored at all, like I wish it was. And it's come in the mail. Ta-da! So I'm gonna open it right now. With this. Okay. So I don't know if you've watched like any of my other unboxings, but I'm horrible at unpackaging.
Look at this dude.
Things, like opening things up. I'm just so bad at it.
No.
I don't know how this is gonna go. So I did buy one from JB Hi-Fi Carousel, and it came back as I had to send it back because it's one that takes a wire like through your house and then you just wire it up at the doorbell. And I wanted the battery one because we don't have that in our house. So I did do an unboxing and I found out that it was the wrong one.
Really, nigga?
Opening it up. Okay, it's got a whole bunch of air in it. That's nice. Now, the wire one does cost more than the battery one. So to spend the rest of the money, I asked if they could put in a spare battery, which cost I think $49.95, and then put the rest of the money on a gift card. So that is what I'm expecting to see in here. Open it up. Okay, so we have the extra battery for the doorbell. Wonderful quick release battery pack. Works with Ring Doorbell 2, which is the one that I got. And then a gift card. Hey! So I think that's got like $86 left on it. And then I'm gonna open up the Ring Doorbell itself. Ta-da! All these features and fun stuff. And I'm so excited! It's the right one! Okay, so it has these sticky tabs on the bottom so that it's like idiot proof when it comes to opening this. Thank God, because I'm just horrible at that. Okay, and then I guess you kind of slide it out. Why not? So the reason I chose this is because last year, when I was just minding my own business, my shoes got stolen from the front porch, and they were like a pair of white Converse and my old Nike shoes. Like, why would you even steal them? They're gross. Ow. Anyway, and I saw this Ring Doorbell, and with all the crime going on in town, crime, I laugh because it's just like kids doing dumb shit. Anyway, I thought that it would be handy to get one of these just so that I could keep an eye on the house when we're out, like we go to Perth or if we go to Exmouth for a couple of days, you know, I know that it's okay. Seriously. And so that's why I thought I would buy it, because I just love it. It's so good. Okay, this is the box. It comes with this little lift tab. Wow, here it is. It's kind of bigger than I expected. Like, that's pretty chunky. I didn't expect it to be that big. I'm gonna just take it out now. Okay, shit. So to compare, I have a Samsung Galaxy S7 phone, and that's like pretty much the size of it. Like, thickness is like pretty thick too. That is one hefty doorbell. Like, I guess you won't miss it when you come to the house to say hey. and you can definitely tell that there's like a camera on here. So with the wireless one, it was a lot more subtle, but this just kind of like screams out to you. Wow, what do you do? I don't know. Let's check the rest of the box. So it says, say hello to Ring. I guess this is the manual and how to set it up, and your warranty, and a sticker. That's nice. Then we've got install tools, which I'll open in a minute. We have corner mount or wedge mount. Oh, okay. So these are what these are for. That's nice. A USB, I suppose this would be for charging. And then it comes with, oh, a different colored button and then it comes with the backing to screw it on. So, oh, and some screws. Wow, they come in a really tiny package. There's about 5 in there, 5 screws. And that's it. Like, that's everything in this box. I doubt there's anything else in here. So I've downloaded the Ring app. Ring, always home, always. I'm literally always home. I don't even know why I need a doorbell. Anyway, so it comes up with like, set up your device. What I'm gonna do is, it says to pull this tab on the bottom here. So if I pull this, holy hell! Oh, the back just came off and it's got 2 more screws in there. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. Setup button. It's indicating there's a little black button up here that you need to press to set it up. And I suppose you just chuck the battery in there, which I'm going to do now. That was pretty easy. And then, what do you do? Oh, I just push that and it's flashing blue. I'm gonna just wing it. Set up device. And then it comes up with, what would you like to set up? Hey, I would like to set up a doorbell. Scan the code on your Ring device. Oh, so there's a code at the back that I'm meant to scan. That was easy enough. It knows my location. And then it asked which door, so I said front door. Take off the faceplate and insert the removable battery, which I have done. And it shows you in video how to do that. I'm gonna click continue. Press and release the small button on the top right corner of your Ring doorbell. So this is where the sticker indicator is. I'm gonna press that now. And then I'm gonna press continue on here. So something is happening at the moment. I think they're both like connecting to each other, which is nice. The spinning white light means, I missed that, I'm sorry. The Ring app's talking to my thing. Okay, so now you're going to input your Wi-Fi. Okay, continue. Just a moment, Rome wasn't built in a day. Just a few more seconds, Wi-Fi is connecting. Okay, it's connected. Congratulations, setup is complete. With Ring, you are always home. Woohoo! That literally took 5 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna press continue. It's updating now, so that's what this flashing is about. We know you can't wait to try out your Ring doorbell too, but please wait until the light stops flashing. So, voila, it's doing stuff. Okay, so it tells you how to install. My husband's gonna install it later, but I just wanted to set it up now because I'm like pretty keen. But it does have a handy video here. And I want to install my Ring doorbell too later. So they're going to email me the instructions on how to do that. Wow, that's really handy. Now we're doing an internet connection test. We're checking to make sure if you can like blah, 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 blah. Success! Your doorbell too has a solid internet connection. Woohoo! I'm sure the internet connection would be like fine out there because our roommate used to like park his car at Darlene's and still be able to use the Wi-Fi, which was like 2 houses down from us. So let's make motion work for you. Just a couple of quick questions will optimize motion detection for your home. Wow. And then I guess that this is like the log that comes up. So if I press the doorbell, it says someone's at your front door. Okay, and so I clicked the notification. Allow Ring to record audio. Allow. Okay. Oh my god! It's me at my door! Hello everyone! That's so cool. And I'm just gonna click. Hello! Hi! Have you come to answer the door? And then how do you hang up? Oh, you just, so it's like a call. And then I'm just gonna click hang up. What? Technology is crazy. So it tells you like your notifications if there's motion at your front door, which is telling me now because obviously I'm swinging the doorbell around. So then if I do click that notification, it's gonna come up with, it's gonna show me what it's seeing. Okay, so I think we've got a little bit of like night vision going on, just because it is in a dark place. But I'm gonna hang that up. What else is there? You can set up other devices. Oh, I like it. Events. And then favorite. And then if I click on the, you know, those 3 lines, the menu, it comes up with all of this stuff. So that was like the easiest thing in the whole entire world to set up, and I'm pretty happy about that. Anyway, so I popped open the tools. You get the special screwdriver, and what's handy is that it actually comes with a drill bit that fits the plastic piece for the other screws. And then these little screws here are for the ones that actually go on the bottom of the doorbell so that you can't just pop it open. Okay, so I'm just gonna come out the front of our house here and show you our doorbell. We've got it on a wedge so that it kind of like angles out to the street. And here's a notification that there's motion at our front door. So I can check that now. Sorry. Sending request. And I can see myself. Hey, how's it going? One of the things that I didn't like is that you can see here there's a lot of brightness where the light is and you can't really see people going past. But other than that, like, that's the gist of it. Okay, so that's a wrap from me. The pros, cons, and improvements will be down in the description below. Also a link as to where you can purchase it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. You're an adult, and I will see you.